Hi, today we are going to analyze Nifty Bank Nifty for 21st July, that is on Friday. So yesterday we had a good expiry. Nifty Bank Nifty moved higher. Bank Nifty was pretty easy, but Nifty starting moved lower, then again recovered, and then moved higher. So if you can see, Bank Nifty actually traded in this particular channel, and then at last, it's after 1 o'clock, 1:30, it moved higher and broke that particular channel. We had expected it would break in the morning itself, but in the morning it went down, took support near this particular channel's lower trend line, and then moved higher. So for today, if we get gap up. So yesterday it actually did not touch 20,000. It came, this candle size was around 19,991. So it should have been at least touched 20,000 or traded or moved higher than 20,000. That would be good. This is slightly not that great. Today if we get a gap up opening about 20,000, that would be good. And today it might try to close about 20,000 also. And then if we get a gap down below somewhere around 19,930, we might make an inside candle in a daily chart. So Nifty, if we get a gap down, we'll be trading for this particular range of 19,880 to around 19,990. So it might come down, it might take support and move higher, and then close somewhere here around the previous day's closing itself. Uh, that is one. For Nifty, actually, the Nifty IT is the problem. If you can see it in the daily, Nifty IT is holding this candle, so it should have broken this level or at least close near this level. But this sell-off had happened, and again, day before yesterday when it tried to move to this particular, we again got a sell-off, and we had a continuation also. But the good thing is we are making lower wicks. But if we get a gap down and break this particular trend line, we might try to touch 30,000, 800, 900, those levels. So if that happens, then Nifty in the first half only it might fall, depending upon the situation of IT and Bank Nifty. In the second half, it might recover. So if we get a gap down, then we might get a sharp downward move because of IT. And in Bank Nifty, we are expecting some sort of continuation, because we can see here we had a big move, and then we had continuation also. We had a very big gap up and it moved higher, but in the intraday we are selling, then we had a inside candle, and again we have a momentum here. So if we get a momentum here, we might get a inside doji type of candle, or slightly bullish candle, maybe something like this, or and something like these candles, or this candle, something like that we might get. For that, as we had a very good move yesterday, it would be good if we get a gap up. That would show still the buyers are interested. And this particular range of 16,000 to 16,200 is a little bit volatile range. So if we get any gap up, slightly gap down or flat, 20-30 rupees flat to go gap down opening, we might trade in this range for some time, and we might. But ideally, the best situation is in the first 15-30 minutes only, we'll make either a big upside movement or maybe a downside movement. My expectation and probability is we'll make first 15 to 30 minutes only, we'll make a move, and then it might be volatile to sideways after that. If you get a very big gap up, let's say around 46,400 or so, we might go till 45,500, 550, and then from there we might retrace back some, like we might trade around 46,500, 450 levels. So if it is a pretty big gap up, it might be a volatile day. If we So even in this, we are getting a target of around 46,600. So if we get a gap up, we might try to move higher and touch around 45,550, 600, those levels. And then after that, it might cool down. So first 15 to 30 minutes will be crucial. Maybe the momentum will happen in first half an hour. This is because if you see HDFC Bank in daily, this has made an inside candle. ICICI Bank has moved. Axis Bank has moved. This is actually near previous selling region. So if we get a gap up, then it might move higher and try to close even above 986, or at least trade above 986, 990. So Kotak Bank, we have a result today, and yesterday we had a pretty good move. HDFC Bank also on the result, it moved higher. Even today, this is a selling region. What is my expectation is it might open a gap down and move higher directly and try to go touch 2000, try to close above 2000. And SBIN is moving higher. So this is also some sort of selling region. So it might try to touch 615, 616, those levels. IndusInd Bank is actually at a pause yesterday, so if it breaks the high of previous candle or low of this previous candle, we might get movement on the either side. If it probability of breaking the higher candle, day high of previous candle is high, as Nifty, so Bank Nifty is also bullish. So as Nifty is little bit weak, we can expect Bank Nifty to hold those levels or try to move higher, so that Nifty will not fall too much. So even here, if it breaks this level, we might get a up move. So if we see in 15 minutes also, this has made, if we get a gap up around this level of 1449, sorry, 1428, 29, then it would directly move and trade above 32, 33 levels. And SBN also, it has made a range, so if we get a gap up, it might move higher. Kotak Bank also same situation. But as we today is an result day, if it opens gap up and trades sideways till the result is announced, then we get a violent move towards downside, a sharp move, then it might reverse and move higher. Axis Bank actually has moved pretty fast in last after 130, so it is near this previous zone also. This was actually a pretty big buying candle. This did not even come near this low. This traded around this candle's open and then moved higher. So it might try to move and touch this level of 19,899 today when ICICI Bank moved yesterday. So all have moved in the second half. So in the first half, it might move any side, but it will move in the first half, and then after that, yeah, it might go sideways and then move in this second half. Let's say if it moves, and so my expectation is it will give a momentum in the first 15 to 30 minutes only. All these things, SBI and Kotak Bank not much, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, even IndusInd Bank if we get a gap up or a gap down, and SBI also if we get a gap up around, or if it trades above 16,902, it will try to move till 17,700. So if everything moves in the opening means in the first 15 to 30 minutes, then Nifty or Bank Nifty also will move at the same time. So the coordination between Bank Nifty and Nifty IT is that if Nifty IT is breaking down, then Bank Nifty we have a higher chance that it will move higher. Once Nifty IT goes sideways, then Bank Nifty also might go sideways, and then we might get some volatility. So that is my expectation on Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So we might get the gap up and then move in first 15. So we will try to capture the first 15 minutes more. So we could be aggressive on first price action, whatever it is making on bullish side, whereas selling side doesn't matter. We will try to be aggressive on the first 15 to 20, 15 to 30 minutes. That's it. Thank you.